Hi guys, welcome to Mass Knowledge. So today we are going to see why I choose Etoro as my stock brokerage broker. Okay, so I've been using this Etoro for about 3 to 4 years. Okay, and I think it's the most legit and best brokerage broker to use in Malaysia. Okay, because the withdrawal and deposit we have no problem. We can do interbank transfer, bank card transfers, easy, very easy. You just have to verify your account. Okay, so if you want to join Etoro, I'll leave a link in the description. You can check it out. So let's go to the walkthrough. So if you look in the left, okay, if you look in the left, you can see my name over here. Okay, so if you see in the left, you can see my name over here. Okay, and you can see my level is bronze. Okay, so if you put more than 1000 USD, you'll get silver, and more than 10,000 is gold. Okay, so I am currently investing below 1000 USD, so I'm in bronze. Here you can see two accounts. One is your rail or virtual. So I've already deposited money and I'm trading stocks in the rail account. So this is my rail account. Okay, and if you want to copy trade me, you can copy trade me with a minimum of $50. Okay, so you just go to my name here, click here, and just copy trade. Okay, so let's see what's next. Okay, so here we have your watch list. So you can add your stocks or whatever you wish to buy in future. So you can see here, this is all my stocks which I am thinking of buying in the future. Okay, then if you go down, next is your portfolio. Okay, when you go to portfolio, you can see I've already bought two stocks. Okay, this is the CPU chip company, okay, which I bought. Okay, so if you're trading in stocks, it's actually at least minimum 1 year, maximum 10 years, 10 and above. Okay, you can start to see a progress in about 1 year. So you have to give time for the stocks or for the company to go up lah. Okay, next is the news feed. So when you go to news feed, you can check out your current level and what the other this is like a community, so you will have an idea what stocks to buy, what not to buy, which are the stocks which are going to come up in future. So you can check out all the communities here. So it's a good thing for us to interact with other traders. Next, if you go down, this is your trade market. Okay, here you can see all the top stocks. Okay, these are the best market movers for now. Okay, you can see here this already going up in 38%. Okay, let's see what is this. Okay, so this will be a trade market. So in Etoro, you can trade stocks, okay, ETFs, okay, and then you have your cryptocurrency, indices, and commodities. Finally, currencies. So this is like forex lah. If you want to play forex, this is more the short term or swing. But if you trade stocks, it's more long term lah. Okay, and forex is more riskier. Okay, if you want to have a low risk trading, it's better to trade in commodities or stocks. Crypto is the highest most riskiest trading to do for now. Okay, you can see here, and you can add to the watch list whichever you think it's doing good. Okay, so I'm going to add this to my watch list. So just click here, my watch list. Okay, and you can see here, if you go to research, okay, it will tell you the latest price target, how many people are buying, how many people are holding. Okay, and you can see based on 10 ranked analysis. Okay, so the highest estimate for this is 41 USD. Now the current price is 28. So this is a good stock to buy and hold. Okay, and you can see here in the research center that this is something bonus you get in Etoro, that the banks are also investing in this stock. Okay, so the hedge funds board is almost like neutral. Okay, so whichever stocks where the banks invest is a good stock to buy, because it will shoot up. I think in just a year you can see profits. Okay, and then you can see the insiders. Insiders is the stockholders who are working in the company. So usually when it comes to stock, the workers are not highly paid. They're usually given stocks every month. So when they need to buy something, they'll sell their stocks and buy. So this is not very important, but you have to look at the hedge funds, okay, and here you have to look at the your stop loss and your this one. So usually when I buy stocks, I don't put any stop loss, because eventually it just takes time for the company to break profit. So how long can you hold the stock? It's up to you. So the cheapest stock to buy is 50 USD. Okay, if you are not using leverage. I usually don't use leverage to buy stocks because it's very high risk. Okay, so I don't use leverage. So as long the company doesn't go bankrupt, I can still keep my stock. So it maybe certain companies will give me profit in about a year, certain will take about 2 to 5 years. Usually it's 2 to 5 years. Okay, and my risk to level ratio, if you see, always is 1 to 3. That means I buy a stock, you can see here my portfolio, I bought a stock for 50 USD. Okay, there, see, I bought the stock for 50 USD. Okay, and usually I'll close my take profit will be at 100, almost 200 USD, 150, 200 USD. That's when I'll close my stock. Okay, so let's say I buy 10 stocks, and maybe usually bankruptcy, any company going bankrupt is not common at all, because these are all the top stocks trading. So you just have to wait. Maybe one stock I might wait about 10 years to get that 1 to 3 ratio. That means if I put 50 USD and I want to take 200 USD, certain companies 6 months, 1 year, certain companies 3 years to 5 years. So far in trading, for me to get this 1 to 3 ratio, it takes me about 3 to 5 years. So it's a long-term investing, and if you're copy trading me, please make sure that you are okay to be with me for the next 5 to 10 years to see the profit. Okay, next, so this is trade markets. Okay, next is copy people. Okay, so here you can see all the top investors who are investing. Okay, let's see who's the highest for now. Okay, I think this guy is quite good. 50%. 50% means if you put 1,000, the next year you're already having 1,005 in your account. So yeah, it's a good thing. Let's say if I go more, and when you put your cursor up here, you can see, okay, has a long-term horizon and does not short. Copying with 1,000. So he already suggests copy with 1,000 for at least a year, and then you can see the profit. Okay, so this guy is trading almost like me. Okay, so he's trading stocks. What about this guy? Yep. So you can see all the, and you can see most copied people also. So this guy is 94%. Okay, let's just check out this guy. Okay, let's go to portfolio. So you can copy trade. You can see all his trades here. Wow, that's a lot of stocks. This guy is buying a lot. Is he going in profit? So this is portfolio. Let's look at statistics. Yep, good profit every month except for this month. And his risk is average about 4, so not bad. Okay, but this guy is also trading Bitcoin. So any portfolios where they trade Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrency, you have to think twice because it's high volatility. And always remember, current profit doesn't mean that this guy is going to profit next year also. So the risk is on you. Okay, so if for me, I'll copy trade a guy who is fully buying stocks, not forex, and not what do you call it? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. Okay, another thing, you can also invest in copy portfolios. Okay, but this one, if you want to invest in these copy portfolios, your minimum is 1000 USD. Okay, you can see the minimum is 1000 USD. So if you have 1000 USD, you can try copying these copy portfolios. Okay, and you can see you can make about 11%. Here is 46%. Oh, this is good. This 121%. So let's go here and see how is the portfolio. Okay, you can see fully it's more all on stocks. So this is a good investment portfolio, but you need to know that you must have 1000 USD to buy this portfolio, to invest in this portfolio, sorry. So I think almost when you go for this portfolio, almost every year you'll get about 500 to 600 USD for your 1000. So in 2 years you can make back your money. Okay, this is invest in copy portfolios. This is invest on people. So portfolios means a few portfolios, means 10 people together. This is only on 1%, the copy people. Okay. Okay, next you see Etoro club. Okay, this is a community club. Okay, and when you go here, there's invite friends, where they'll give you a link where you can invite your friends. So I'll put this link down. If you all want, you all can join with me, so we can create a community. Okay, so I'm not sure, but if we are in the same country and you join me, you will get 50 USD and I'll get 50 USD. So one stock free where we can buy. Okay, but we have to be in the same country lah. So I am from Malaysia. So anyone from Malaysia, use my link and join. You will get 50% 50 USD. Okay. Okay, let's look at the next. Okay, this is where you have a help, guide and withdraw funds. Okay guys, so deposit funds and withdraw funds is very easy. Let's say you go to deposit funds. Okay, so these are your options: credit or debit card. So usually I use credit or debit card. If you use bank transfer, your minimum is $1000. If credit and debit card, minimum is 50 USD. I think you can go up to 25 USD as well. So you just put in your card number. Okay, so next will be withdraw funds. So when you withdraw, it will show this is my available balance now, because both my stocks are still trading. So I have 99 cents of profit where I can just up. But every transfer, the minimum is $30 you can withdraw. Okay, and there'll be a $5 charge. Okay, the maximum charge is $50, depends on the amount you are transferring. Okay, so if you withdraw about 1000 or 2000, the maximum they'll charge you is 50 USD per transaction. Okay, if for like 30 USD is $5 USD they'll charge you. Okay, okay, so if you see on your right, okay, you can write a post. This is a share if you want to share anything, and Etoro will give you tips. Okay, there will be some notifications at times where they might say if you want to buy any new stocks, or if they have any new stocks. Okay, so lastly, let's come to my profile. Okay, this is my profile. Okay, you can see my stats. Okay, I just bought my stock, and I think I stopped trading in Etoro last year. Okay, so there's no pre-performance. Okay, I stopped this one. I just start buying my stock, so it's negative. So as my stock profit for months, you can see the positive out of this. Okay, next is portfolio. Okay, this is my portfolio and my chart. Okay, so it'll take some time for me to grow my portfolio. So for now, if you all join me, it's just 50 USD. You can start copying my trades. Okay, so it's just not 50 USD. You have to put 50 USD every month. Okay, so if you are in Malaysia, it's about 211 ringgit. So you invest, because I'll be buying stocks every month, per month one stock. So that's my target. I'm planning to reach 100 stocks by next year end. Okay, so since it's the start, you can start copying me. And when you copy me with a minimum amount of 50 USD, don't copy my previous trades. There'll be a box when you're copying me. So just to inform you, don't click the box. But if you're copying me for about 500 USD, please copy all my old trades, because I will not close my trades this year. It's usually next year. I'm planning to close only when it hits my stop loss, or in the year of 2022. Okay, so don't worry. If you are copying me at 500 USD, just click copy old trades. If you're copying me at only 50 USD every month, you're planning to put or what, then just don't click that box. Okay, so that's all for me. Okay, so this is my name. If you want to copy me, the link will be in the description if you want to join Etoro. And please subscribe and like my channel for more videos. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to buy trades and which are the top stocks to buy every month. I'll be putting a video each time I buy a stock. Okay, so thank you guys. Cheers.